Welcome back, guys. So in this video we are going to see Pandas data frame. So what is data frame? Data frame is nothing but a tabular type object, a spreadsheet type object, or we can say it is Excel file type object. It has columns and row, and columns have their features name, means the columns name, headings, and the rows, or we can say records, have their index as well. So it is a Excel file type object provided by pandas pandas. And why it is used? It is humongously used for data analysis task. So this is the definition. I think you can write by yourself. So I am just writing simple thing that it is spreadsheet or Excel sheet like object. So how Excel sheet will, if no one know how Excel looks, so just I am opening Excel. So here you can see I am opening the Excel. So like I am opening this file. Here you can see these are headings. These are headings of Excel file, and these are index of Excel file, and these all are data. So same thing is means pandas data frame is same like this Excel data sheet. Not same, it is like Excel data sheet or a spreadsheet which have headings and which have column records index as well. So how can we create data frame? So how can we create a, a data frame? So just we can create a data frame using 2D 2D array type object. So 2D array type object like list of list. So I am creating list of list. So this is my list, and I am creating list of list. So this list have multiple lists. So 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is first list inside my list. Then this is second list inside my list. 4 4 comma 5 comma 6, and this is 7 comma 8 comma 9. This is my list. So here you can see it kind of 2D list. In Python there is no concept of 2D list, but we can say that this is like 2D list because it is list of list. Okay, so using 2D list or using 2D array, we can make a pandas data frame. So how we can make pandas data frame? First of all, you have to import the pandas library. How you can import this? Import pandas spd. PD is nothing but a alias famous for pandas. We don't want to use we don't want to type pandas every time calling its functions. So pandas dot what you want to create pandas data frame. So data frame frame frame, and then pass the 2D list. I have passed 2D list, and then I am storing this object is this data frame object in df. Okay, then just see how it looks. So here you can see this is the data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is the headings, and these are These 0, 1, 2 in bold character are row number, or we can say index of records. By default, columns names are 0, 1, 2, 3 will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 start with 0, and by default index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So how we can change the column name? So if you want to change the column name, just pass columns is equal to columns 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 is equal to pass some columns names. How many columns names we required? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1 and 2 means we require 3 column names, 3 heading for 3 columns. So I want column A, then I want column B, then I want column C. So now you can see instead of A1012, the column name become ABC, and now you want index should be other thing. Index should not be 1, 2, 3. It should be like XYG. So I am passing some X Y G. It is same like series, Pandas series, but it is 2D series. It is 2D data. In Pandas series there are 1D data, but in Pandas data frame there are 2D data. It can be multi-dimensional data as well. And for this we use hierarchical indexing. I will cover hierarchical indexing as well. But here we are just static. We are indexing statically. Just simple indexing we are using here. For one record, we are using one indexing. Okay. So X, Y, and G. Because we have 3 records. So now let's see. Now you can see the records has been changed. X, Y, and G. Now if you want to see the data frames values, what value is written? It's data is this L is data, list is our data, and these are just metadata. These are saying this is the column or feature, and these are records number. These are indexing. So if you want to see the data frame values, so just use dot values method. So here you can see this is the data. It is in array. It is in numpy array format, and its data type is int64. If you want to see columns of data frame, so just use a columns method. Here you can see this is columns method, but remember that it is not in numpy array data type. It is in index data type. These are not same. You can compare it as well. Like I am writing here, I am copying this, okay, equal to, I am copying this again, but I am writing this ARRAY like this, and I am comparing this. So is it same or not? So index is not defined, so it is np dot. For that I have to import numpy as well. Import numpy as np. Okay. So now this is np dot index, then np dot array. These are equal or not? So no, these are not equal. Numpy has no attribute index, but numpy has attribute of numpy has attribute of array. So these are not equal. Index and array are not equal, but they store multi-dimensional data as well. So Now if you want to see the length of the data, so how you can see that? df dot length length. So it is not the function. You can search for this which length function. So this is the universal thing, that len of df. So it will return length of the data frame. So our data frame has three record. You can see this x record, this y record, and this z record, and it has feature a, b, and c. So it is like this. So what I am discussing, first of all I am removing it, and length of df you can see. If you want to understand in more detail in real world scenario, so it would like this. This is my list L2, and it has data like first person have age 20. Age first person has 20-year old. He has 1 year of experience, and it has salary of 1,000 rupees. It is like this. Now second person is it has a 25-year-old, experience of 5 year, and it has salary of 4,000 rupees. And third person is 30-year-old, and it has experience of 9 year, and it has 10,000 rupees salary. And fourth person is 18-year-old, and it is 0 year of experience. It has salary of 500 rupees, or 500 rupees. So it is like this. Now you want to label the all columns, all the attribute, like you want to label first element of each list inside the list to age, and then second element to experience, and third element to salary. So how you can do this in Python? So for this you can use pandas library. So how you can use pandas library in this case? So just use pd.dataframe, data frame, data frame, and then just pass the 2D list, and then columns are like this. Columns, you want first columns to be age, second columns to be experience, exp, and third columns to be salary. You want like this. And this is df2. I am storing this object to df2, and now I want to see df2 as well. So here you can see age of 0th person, age of first person, age of second person, age of third person, and third person experience, third person salary. So it handle that data frame handles this type of object. It is same like spreadsheet like or Excel type object. So it hugely used in data analysis. Why it is hugely used? Because in NumPy there are no labels to the records. In this case, there can be miscalculation between the labels. This can miss manipulation between two, or operation between two array, or operation between two objects can be misconfused, can be confused. So by providing labeling, it will not confuse. A should be, in this case, in case of data frame, A should be operated with age age column, and experience should be operated with experience column. That is why data frame is useful in data analysis. So this is about data frame, and now see few more feature of data frame. How there is any other method to create data frame? Yes, there are many methods to create data frame. We can create a data frame using dictionary as well. Like we created dictionary series using we create a series using dictionary. We also can create data frame using dictionary. So how? So just do like this. We are creating dictionary, and like it is like we want column. So how? Column name, first key will be columns. This is key will be columns. So you have to key will be columns. So you have to remember this. This key will be columns. So I want age, and age have some values like 1 comma 20 comma 90 30 comma 40. This is age. Now age, then experience exp will be like exp will be like this. Experience, like it has 4 year of experience, it has 5 year of experience, it has 2 year of experience. And salary, one more column. Salary you want. Salary is 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and sorry, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and 3 rupees. So this is our dictionary where values are in list. So if we want to create data frame from dictionary, so outer, remember that outer keys, dictionary's outer keys will be column. So let's see that. So just create the dictionary from, just create data frame from dictionary. So data frame frame and pass dictionary and home, and df3 is equal to, and I want to see df3 as well. So here you can see these age, experience, and salary are outer key of dictionary. So these are columns. Here you can see, and by that we have created a data frame. If you pass columns here again, if you pass custom column here, like you are passing columns. I am passing. I don't want age to be in first place. I want experience in first place. So I write experience exp. Then I write age, and I want some other thing like gender. And so what will happen in this case? So let's see what will happen in this case. So actually we defined that we need these three columns. So experience and age are exist in dictionary, but gender is not exist in dictionary. So gender value for each and every record are nan. Nan means not a number, or you can say it is a missing value, or you can say it is a none value. So this is how we can create data frame from dictionary as well. So can we repeat many sorry, we can repeat many columns multiple times, like why I want to repeat age 2 times. So what will happen? Let's see. So here you can see age and age are multiple times. So here we created data frame from dictionary. You can create data frame from nested dictionary as well. So how? Let's say DN. DN means nested dictionary, and we are creating dictionary. First of all, you need to understand outer key of dictionary will be column. So I want columns should be like marks in mathematics, and then it has also a dictionary. Its value is dictionary, and marks of student one. I want marks of student one, like I want to name it like this. That RIP of marks of RIP is on math is 1 5 number, and then and PIR is PIR's marks is 4 number, and I want Rahul marks is 0 number, and I want Modi's marks is 10 number. Now I want to copy it. So math, then it will be like Hindi, and Control C, and I am pasting multiple times because I want 3 rows, and I want 3 rows. So it will be Hindi, and it will be English, and I am changing the marks as well. It here it is getting 4 marks. Here it is getting 6 marks. Here it is getting 0 marks, 1 marks. Or he is getting 5 marks. He is getting 9 marks, and here it is getting 0 marks. So can we create dictionary from it? So let's see. Here I forget the comma as well, so I have to provide comma here as well. So I have provided. Now our dictionary has been done. Now we can create a data frame from nested dictionary as well. So first thing you have to remember that outer what is outer sorry outer key of any dictionary will be column. So let's check. So I am creating the data frame from nested dictionary. pd dot data frame, then I am passing nested dictionary, and I am storing this object in df4, and I want to see df4 as well. So you can see RIP has marks of 5 in math, then Hindi, then English. So these are the marks. Here you can check the index as well. df.index. Oh, sorry. df.index. So here you can see there are x, y, and g index. Not it is df. It was not df. It is df3. So df3 I have to pass df3. Now here you can see their index is range index. Start from 0 and stop from 3 and step watch 1. So it is not df3. It is df4. Sorry. So df4 is Rep, Per, Rahul, and Modi. These are students' name. And df3 values are same like dictionary's value. So these are the values, and columns are df3's columns are column df3 column. So df3 columns. So df3 columns are exp, age, and so it is not df3, it is df4. I am forgetting again and again, and it is df4 again. So these are the index, these are the values, and these are the columns. So can you retrieve data from data frame. If you want to retrieve data from data frame, how you can do this? So retrieval, it is most important part. Retrieve data, or iterating through data frame. It is most important part of data frame. So how we can do this? So if you want to retrieve the data of data frame, if you want to retrieve column of any data frame, so how you can do this? You can use dictionary type notation, like my data frame for df4, I want its math column. So you just use dictionary type notation. So now you can see here. So why it is throwing error? Math, it is not math actually, math. So I think it is capital M. It is case sensitive. So you have to remember this, it is case sensitive. So df4 and then math. So we have retrieved a column. Now you can see here, it is actually a data series. If you want to see the type of this, if you want to see type of this, so let's see type of this, because it is in 1D. It's data in 1D, not total object in 2D, but it's data 5, 4, 0, 10. It is in 1D. That is why it is series. Overall, it is in 2D because index is not calculated in data. It's considered as data. That is why if data will be in 2D, then we will consider it is a data frame. But here you can see data is in it is data is in 1D. So we can say it is series. So let's see, to confirm that it is series or data frame. So enter that. If you here you can see pandas dot core, that series. So it is series object actually. If you want multiple data at a time, multiple column, so how you can do this? So math, I want math and I want Hindi as well. So it is Hind. So can we do this? So no, we cannot do this because it is one bracket behind it. But math and Hindi column are creating 2D data frame. Here you can see this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So there are two axes covered by these two columns. So we have to provide them two square bracket surrounding it. So surround it, enclose it by two bracket. Now they will give us a math and Hind as well. Now these are the data frame, not series. Let's see type of this, type type of these. So here you can see. So type of what I so there's a so type of I want type of I have to copy all these, control C, and then type of this. Now you can see type of this is data frame because it is in its data is 5 4 4 6 0 0 10 1. These are in 2D structure, like this is x axis, this is x axis, and this is y axis. So there are 2D data. There are 2D, this data present in 2D structure. That is why we are calling it as data frame, not data series. Series, only series. It is called series, not data series. So if you want to add one more column in this data frame, like this data frame df4, I am pasting it here again. So this is our df4 data frame. If you want to add one more column in it, so how you can do this? Just define one more column, df4, and then its column is like this, df4 de. I want physics phy, marks in physics. So we have to assign some value here, like 5. I have assigned 5 value. Now let's see what happened to df4. So it has changed. If you assign the value using new column, it will change permanently your original data set. Now you can see physics also is in our df4 data frame. You can do this by another method as well, like you can see, like you can do that like this, df4 dot columns is equal to I want math, then I want Hind as well, HIND. Then I want English as well, MGLISH. Then I want physics as well, PHY. And then I want machine learning as well, ML. So now let's see what will happen. So it is saying length mismatch. Expected access has 4 element, new values have 5 elements. So we cannot do like this. We have to specify some value like this. We have to specify like this to add some one more column or multiple column in this. So how again, what we can do more with data frame? So I am actually deleting this. And if you don't want that this physics value to be 5, if you want to be its value is unknown, so you can do like this. You can manipulate the modify the value like this, df4 is equal to df4 of phy column is equal to you can say none. Now let's check df4. Let's check control A, df4. Now here you can see physics value is none. Now NaN is not supported by Pandas. So Pandas has NaN actually. So pd.nan, we have to search for nan. NaT. So pd.type, typecasting, type, pd dot numpy dot numpy or mp dot n a n nan. Okay, it is in nan in this. So we can do like this, df4 of physics should be nan np.nan. So now let's see what will be df4. So here you can see physics is nan means a missing value, or you can say it is not a number value, or you can also say it is a none value. None means it has no value. So it is done like this. And one more method you can use to retrieve column from data frame. How you can do this? So you can use uh, attribute type procedure like df4 dot column name, like I want hind, hind. So here you can see it given the all the data about hind. We cannot use multiple column here. Can we use? So how we can use dot hind dot English or phy? No, we cannot do this. It is unlogical. So this is one more method to retrieve column from data frame. One is using dictionary notation, one is using object object attribute like procedure. Sorry. So can we loop through data frame? So how we can loop through data frame? So let's check how we can loop through data frame or what it return. So for I in range, or no, for I in df4 print I, print. So what will be I? So can you guess what will be I? It will be data or it will be column. So let's see. So it will be a column, not data. Okay, it will be column. It will iterate through all the columns. If you iterate through data frame, so it will iterate through column, not data frame. And you can do anything with using these columns, like you can do like this, print what you can do like this, that sum is equal to 0, sum is equal to 0, and you want to add everything in sum. This I is in I is data frame, I is data frame, and you want to add second data frame in it. So sum is equal to 0. It should be outside. Sum should be outside, or it could be uh, pd dot data frame, pd dot data frame without any size. Okay, and sum will be sum plus I. It will be like this, and just at last look at sum. What will be sum? I, not I. It will be like df of I, df4 of I. So it is giving empty value, it is not giving anything. So just print this sum, print print sum sum. So column empty, this is empty, so we have to provide columns as well, and their values. So if you can we add two columns. So df4 plus I want to add df4 math plus math df4, and what we want to add hand. So it will be added, I think, because these both are series. So why it is not adding? Because math and dictionary. So it should be like this, and here this, and remove this. So yeah, it is adding. So what we can do that it will add. So it will, how it will add? Okay, so sum will be I, and we will add. So how we can do this? So for this we can specify outside a data series for math here, or we can specify some column with any arbitrary columns with 0, 0, 0, 0 values. So I'm not doing this. I'm doing like this, df4, of math, df4 dot math math, and then home, and I want to store it in sum is equal to this, and for I in df4. So first what it will do just add I. First I will be math actually. So first I will be math actually. So if I is equal to math is equal to math, then pass, do not do not do not perform anything. And if this not, then sum plus is equal to df4 and then I. Then at last we want sum of all these. So what happened here? So math is not defined. So actually we have to include it. So what happened here? Yeah. So it is n. It is adding, and then here it is not adding. Why it is not adding, yeah? Sum is df4's math, and df4th I will be these all things. Name is math, and we want to add in this. I'm not able to understand. So if I do this manually, df4 of math plus is equal to plus is equal to this. So what will happen? So now we cannot do this plus in it, then equal to this math. Now what is df4? It is nan. Why it is nan? It means we are adding this, then adding these two, and storing in df4. If I store it in df4 of math, so what will happen? So now let's see what is df4. I'm not able to understand. It is capital M. So math is not defined. Now let's see what is therefore it is nan as well. So why it is nan? Why it is not adding and not assigning? After adding, why it is not assigning? I don't know. I know I'm not able to understand this. So actually, we can only assign values to it. We are assigning data frame. So how it will add? Okay, so the concept behind it, what I was missing. I was missing. We can assign values to it. Assign value, not data frame. Assign value, not data frame. You do this as practice. This is your assignment as well. So assign value is not data frame. Okay. So few more things have left about data frame. So next part I will cover in next video. I think it is enough for this session. So meet you in next one. Thanks for watching this video. So thanks.